social media accessele into lokuthi bazokwenza utrend but sekwama detective
yeah yibo manje ba
capable ukulethela i-matric certificate or capable build something that will prevent HIV.
Nangithi ngisathi ngizosho kathona uzoba lo baby daddy ohambisa abantwana emakhaya bangafundi.
But a public noma unga esikoleni se public school sesikoleni sabesilungu you don't see need yokufunda isilungu you don't see as in tech but makabuya ubhuti wami ubizwa ineighbor yethu zama uza athi ngiyabuya ngisayoshaywa because uyazi ukuthi whatever ayenzayo ayenzayo iyodinga ngeswazo.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell guys. Every time I drop anything guys, will be notified. You see, we're back with the whole team guys. I'm gonna start from my far left guys. If you're new, please guys, subscribe guys. You see, we're doing so much, we're doing the most guys. We're coming with the bangers. We're trying to come with a new show even now. We don't even know what to call this show, but let's say no care. Buddy,
Kamba lapho boy Penny the real Penny to bafethu umfana koKasi umfana koFridos nazi bafethu ngiphethe isithole
I
it's na my ladies angisolo sithi hade obvious bafethu
you follow attack. It's not just ladies. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna pass it to one of the best hosts of our Fanabateke guys. Yeah. She always bring fire, she always come with the band, the one and only. And then
hey guys, my name is Titi and you already know it. I'm definitely the girl that I think I am.
Jara, and there's come up from the shine, but it's up and shine. As a child, I'm going to see the tire.
Topazana J, fitleke kakhulu. Bazungu.
I met the boys. Shout out to the boys, guys. So guys, like it's been a long time coming, guys. We have to sit down, guys. We have to sit down. You have to sit down, and we're not sitting down. I think is this the first show? Yeah. Together, ne? Yeah. Shout out, man. We are making things happen. I hope we're gonna keep up doing what we're doing, bro. Because I need you to, to push now. Yeah. Without further ado, guys, I like trending topics, guys. I just like anything that's in a vuvuvam.
I'm shoot that's his biggie.
Oh my God! But it's wrong with
a confidence booster.
No, but like this is wrong, guys. So Benita and I show you which are my camera and the screen, guys. So mostly we don't show ourselves screening, which is dope because so man just says born so this is crazy because now it seems like Mundu shoot a phone a selfie, which is very weird, guys. So okay, guys, to get into today's topic, guys, okay.
Men for no order lapo 068806
TRM clothing, guys.
Yeah,
it's talking about clothing. Kuna intending is okay pela. Now
senazi most bafethi nakho ukusubscribe abazali. Abazali safuna babhekelele.
Shout out TRM to the world, guys. The real Menza. If you are around Soweto or around anywhere, kuna lento. By this so just order on the number that is busy passing guys, auntie guys. Nizobona like some of the clothes that he deals with, and then I support them guys until they reach my levels. Wabo Balenciagas, your Nikes, your Adidas, your LVs, let's keep on supporting the boy. Then topic of the day. Spumama Vali.
Yeah, so
Okay. In general, guys, what do you think about Ilona again? Valentine's Day. I'm gonna start there. Like in general, what do you think about Valentine's? Ishukthini kuwe?
Valentine's Day. Sukulothando man. La ulama gift. Sesiyawalindela ke phela ngoba uyabona kufanele sithole
Papa ne.
Mina ngithi ne Valentine's Day sukulothando sithole ukuthi uspend isikhathi nomuntu wakho kodwa naye phela ipresent iphathe phakashishiyelayo kodwa phela angithi so spend isikhathi kune present.
But this is a scam, guys. Let's just be honest.
Okay guys, angisho ukuthi like mina ngiziyiwani ngizolindela ipresent nawe phela ngizokupha something.
Oh hayi when at least
It's one of the two men if we are was
what if you figure like ungena
it's fine
because in most cases I wanna hear Titi's chat or Gucci Valentine. What does Valentine's mean to you? In your own opinion, don't fight, don't go to dictionary and wait cousin against dictionary like as
oh my cousin, okay,
yeah.
I was about to go.
No, Jango Titi.
Okay, Jango Titi.
Yeah.
I basically think Valentine's Jango Mazungi Veshil, I'm just gonna quote on what she said. Valentine's Day Langa Then there was a gift and it's not really a must to go to but then it's been colonized and obviously we live in a modern world where we materialize everything. So Valentine's Day, it's just Valentine's Day. It's one of Lao Malanga when I stand of song, just to keep up and we energize with 100.
Besides,
in any way,
Valentine every day. That's part of freshness.
And then the taxi. What does it mean?
We need Valentine's Day. You're going to get Women's Day because.
Thank you, South Africa. Yeah.
I expect her. Nanoma muntazo tired, but I expect to go to when I went to something, not understanding what it's a two-way thing.
Hey, whoa, bro! Imagine, like, okay, this is how I see it in Sago. You nail it, bro. Like, mina mangipekile mbona ngathi abafazi you are always expecting something which no you are in Valentine like it's like posting do you understand ukuthi no you have to pull up ukuthi ngithathe siya ku shooting maybe a mall or something you have to have a teddy bear chocolate ilona iblomo what no, guys.
Not all of us, though.
But
also, not all of us.
And there's chocolate. Chocolate. Yes, sometimes because of
I was just thinking them of flowers.
No, but
Mama, one of them saying if I put the kids
no, you can't expect petrol
but honestly speaking, it's just that now we're just debating about it, ne? But honestly speaking, it's like a chick, she's expecting you to pull up with something.
Yeah.
Hi Bo Pela Sheikh.
Yes,
something and also you are need to obvious relationship but so what's rightfully expected of you to do.
Asophathana.
Wow.
But look, Titi, but it's not like I'm paying lobola or something, bro.
But still, that's
This day, it's a special day for two-way
As much as
relationship, bro.
bathi ilanga
is-
lokuba in love lokuthanda.
Yeah, it's not like I'm paying lobola, bro. Come on now.
Uyasho na uzungu ukuthi ilanga lokuthandana kodwa naye akeze aphethe something.
Yeah.
Wena wangazisho ukuthi why siyezi
Into mara ngishilo ngathi ngishona.
usingula.
vele Valentine's iyabonisa ukuthi
So
good relationship right.
menvuke ekuseni thingithi like fanda like qeda ukushaya 12
Okay.
yi-14 February.
Yeah.
Like yini into enishoyo ebantwini. Happy Valentine's Day.
And
Okay,
then I'm
no,
sure.
Maybe when
Ibirthday kahle.
Wait. What's it? Abashamo wena ushongo.
I don't think ushilo, but I don't think mina ushilo. That's it. Sorry, babe.
Because you
Sorry.
because you felt like it is the right thing for you.
No, mina bengifuna ukuyisho like
ubaby magathi makakubheka abasubscriber
Yeah,
ashare
ngizwa.
nabanye.
no bengifuna ukuyisho like ngimbheke emehlweni awungijonge emehlweni yabo so ngisho emehlweni not like
Valentine's
no
Day,
ngisho
babe.
emehlweni not like efonini efonini I feel like I figured the way ngifuna ifike ngakhona phela at least mangimtshela in person like even if
explore
uyangithola
endaweni ongathintwa kuzo noma ubani ayikho nje yakho.
sorry ngihamba amajwijwi guys
But like things like that. But like honestly, this is my opinion, guys. I don't know because Madimple said something which it's a two-way thing. But like you see, as much as you are busy saying which you did receive a message, but you didn't return the message.
I think I'm not sure
You should have been sure, but you know I didn't send back.
No,
That's
I
what you're
did.
saying.
I think I did man guys
Nah.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Check.
You didn't.
I did Shemi.
Nah, you didn't, bro. So you felt like it's the right thing, Gucci. Your person act to me. Then you were like, oh, okay, now it's a Valentine's Day. But like, what are you doing?
No, angithatha ngakanjalo. Like listen.
yini Valentine.
Yeah, futhi singakafiki.
Mina, it's a two-way thing as much as that's why I was agreeing with Unsao. I was like, it's a two-way thing. If ever, I don't have to be the first one. And nowadays, because we're living in this era, you should, like, ladies should do these things. Which, let me show you, which it is not about you.
Yeah.
You get? Which, let me send these things first.
Kwenze nawe ufike.
Yes, then my figure give me ingathi figure heavy nyana ukuthi yo it means I should have sent that message first or I should have done 1 2 3 first. You get? So to me, bro, it's like it is what it is, bro. It's like maybe I can say it's maybe like Mangsese High School it was still a thing.
Ukuthi womela uthenge.
Yeah, because now I'm trying to prove a point ukuthi angathathe lo muntu wami ngithi uthi hey you must make sure ukuthi you barricade that ukuthi hey yena kancane hey you get no it's not like make a that's how I was moving angithi phela like if you're moving in a weird way you think everyone is moving in a weird way yangithola if wena mawusuka enkwareni you know ukuthi uyophuma lapha ukhise umuntu. If umuntu okathi uyenkwareni you're thinking the same thing with bayomlamza today.
Yeah.
You get it? Yeah. You get it? Yeah. So that's how I was moving. So now I was making sure ukuthi I take care of everything with yo. Ikati even if it's ringa 2 days, linga card, it's fine. At least you got it for that day. Yangithola. Imbali make sure ukuthi angithengi lezi
No, mina won't buy flowers.
ngithenga lezi as a plastic. You get?
Oh, this is
Yeah. Because hey, lezi ezinye eish cabanga manje
uthi la lizo lokiphuma ngawano every day uyayisula.
You get?
Ungasithathi serious konke lokho.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've seen these things trending, especially ku social media. I think nowadays, ne? Yes. I think nowadays, social media abantu bayisebenzisa ngendlela right. Why am I saying this? There's a video that is busy trending. laba bulala khona Uber driver nomnye sisi njena. I think I heard a rumor, I don't know, allegedly now she's arrested because social media yeah, I think now she's arrested. And I think like social media in general, I think now it's moving. It's no longer about which is yeah, I think now they're doing a right thing, which is but
social media.
It's always the pretty ones.
Hey, those are dangerous ones.
You know, Nasam 17.
Yeah.
Trust me, Slay Queen of Spawner City as shoplifter is tatizin.
Lona ngeke umlandele.
Never
Yeah.
Pay a mount back in mistake. Farama frontal.
Because they know what's going to
trust me,
okay. Because you guys are still on the topic. Like abantu abana privilege ukuthi they are beautiful. Baba on those awkward situations where they are stealing.
Because bayazi ukuthi angeke babacabangele mos.
And it's easy to get away with it. I mean, obviously, men.
Yes, but so that's enough.
Obviously, I'm a gent. I'm a gent or I'm a fan of a technology I in his five position, but in example, because
Okay.
Okay. I'm joking. But I'm just saying, like it's easy to seduce umuntu wesilisa noma bafana be technology. Nakhona umseduce not umseduce ukuthi ufuna ujwana but let's say ufuna uthatha iwallet ngemva kwakhe because uyibonile yabo. Because angibaze bakusole you are pretty, loyo muntu nawe uyafeel ukuthi ngifuna umuntu ozamamahle. Yabo. Not knowing ukuthi like it's like isumkhona. So I think that's a privilege. I mean,
but don't you think you would see? Don't you think would see? Okay, yeah. You see. Don't you think you would see a pressure you would see? Don't you think you would see? Yeah, don't you think would see pressure would see because you are beautiful, you are expected to see.
Yeah.
You must rock, not just I don't know what kind of ways.
Please abantu obvious ukuba muhle ukunikeza advantage ukuthi ube lapha ya so manje awufuni ukwehla wena ufuna ukuhlala lapha ya then you end up doing into ezisinaso
yeah
phela if umuhle ngomgqinya so if uyazazi ukuthi umuhle you don't need to do much to show ukuthi umuhle
but like okay you don't have to do much
lento ibeka ngezinye indlela
okay
abanye bahle engqondweni abanye bahle like ebusweni dom
and the ones waphilela ukuphiza umuntu you are doomed for lifetime because kumele uhlale umake ukuthi namhlanje if boku 110 sasa kumele ubuke 120.
So I think pretty privilege yakona. I think that's the downfall of you guys because now you have to maintain because abantu they are coming to you and say Titi damn bro she's so beautiful then to maintain uthola ukuthi manje usisi wakho beyakushiyele leyo powerful leyo today we are no left right center now you need you understand amatimbuls now you need that powerful layer bakushiyela yena ukuthi yo shuthi layer and ngapha as keep
you know what also that's a real
and then ngene emashop uphethele ama-bag lawa bambeka simple bangena abaphethe lezi zinto lezo trust me umuntu uphuma aphethe more than 20 items emzimbeni wakhe.
That's so real. Like
it must be account of course okay e-shop dance pana khona ku-shop I was accommodator wonke umuntu
yeah
mara uma ukhanta ihamba kuma 2 boy impahla zithathile
manje uyazigcoba ukwenza kanjani
basifaka emzimbeni
ngithi awuzongibona labe
ungeke umuntu aphethe i-purse lencane le trust me uphuma aphethe into eziningi lo muntu loyo apha amazipho shaye frontal makeup ilushaye heel uzotshontsha
amakesibini ngicabanga mama
and mawubhaqa abakuthuka abanandaba akuthuka baphinde bakutshela ukuthi sokumela ngaphandle kwemodla uzophume wena uzonya
Oh, wait. Bona la. Oh, baba mani babhacile.
No, angithi umthetho uthi bese ngibona wona shoplift.
Yeah.
Awukakatshontshe mangakaphumi ngaphandle kweshop. The only time emeli case ibe khona mawuso uphume ngemnyango then sabiza sakusethe sakuthola ukuthi unama item ungawabhadala. Like mawumbhaqe nanoma ngayobiza imanager yami aphakathi kweshop neyibasakhethe lapho yimo odlekile icala.
And labo bastard bayazi they know about this laws thing.
Angizi ngizokusearcha ngingana sure ukuthi uyithathile lento lo uyithathile. Kumele ngibe ne-show ukuthi uBenito uthatha iskip. Maybe kusearch abasithole iskip yabo ukuthi kunzima.
Yes, wena ungayenza le nto thithi.
Ukona shoplifting.
Let's say
have you done shoplifting before?
No, I have a good reputation. I mean, I'm the current face of Mpumalanga, so I can't be stealing. I mean, one example in my setting or I'm a future.
If you
No, Tana. Even if I wasn't like,
no, but like I need to
face of Pumalanga. That I know.
Wait. Where's my pageant? Oh,
yeah,
modeling.
Pageant, yes.
Oh, he's.
Yes.
Oh, shout out.
Uthi ukuba face of Pumalanga already.
Face of Melody.
Yeah.
But
ukuba uthithi yena.
Okay,
kuphi phezulu. Then Twana kusasa awukwazi uku-afford life.
Let's
Oh, you mean already standard seconds? Oh, okay, I hear you.
Then kusasa Twana awukwazi uku-afford life. And then manje une standard emeli usikhiphe ku
mina ngajonja mina. Mina ngajonja.
You guys see my downfall, you see my downfall.
I don't think ukuthi umuntu uvela avuke athi ngiyotshontsha mina. Kuba nento emenza ukuthi ayenze lento leyo.
It's because the problem started when you wanna please people. I mean, I don't live like once upon a time I won a pageant or something because I live a classy life and stuff. But I don't because it comes with humbleness. Humble, of course, just because of maintain a standard. Oh, I'm the new face of what. No. Live according to how you were living. Don't change because it's a certain title that it was given to you.
But sometimes, you know, guys, basically, I think yes, America. Leya mama le utshontshe impahla shoplifting but utshontshe impahla zengane yakhe bamlandela ngama security
like like a newborn or something.
No, umntana okhulile maybe 18 ngana sure age. So mabembuza ukuthi why utshontshe le mpahla athi ngithembisa umntana wami ukuthi ngephethe kuzoba muhle and amandla wafika
pressure
bekumele
ama-request ikhona abantu abatshontshela ngithola ukuthi ayidingi
mara do you justify
khona kuma-olede like afika atshontshe bomashukela izinto nawo
ukuthi
beyamsiza lezi
you only pray and awuspani one maybe unamempaka ukuthi ntana ngicungincedisela ngakwazi ukufika khona. Then you find out lo muntu lo uyakutshontshela and then ayi reason yabona
angempama
ukuthi nayi reason yakhe ntwana ngiyabona ukuthi ungizamile ngesipani ngiyakwazi ukubeka isinkwa kodwa khona lamalanga la already elidinga ukudla maybe lina le situation
khuluma what if nami
ngiyinkinga zami setting masikhuluma athi umuntu ungayenzi inkinga zakhe zami
amamfethu le bokhuluma le gama mfitha nokuthi uzenzela phela masozenzela what if nami semplanning
stealing guys now ngiyabona ezimakhezinzalo ngithembisile impahla ye-birthday kubuhlungu but if awukwazi ukufika wayusabutshela ingane ukuthi no.
So
you fault kabani?
It's because you are a parent and you don't want to disappoint your child.
But like but like
if ingane yakho uyifundisile ukuthi mawuthe mntanami angikhona awukhona but if ufundisa ukuthi if uzothi hey ubanele uthi ufuna iteki
And
sene-stress and mina alithole and sengimjwayezile ukuthi ubanele once yena abona iteki leGucci ubanele must get
Ubani Banele?
mntana kithi
Yes.
It's an example.
Example.
uyabona yeah like ngisho kanje because I do izinto for umntana kithi yabo since ngispan mara if ngizofundisa ubanele ukuthi ubanele bathi yena yo ntsako kwenzeka so esikoleni ngibona usibani bani unani then ngibe like you gonna get that's why lela ngizothi abanele ubanele ngeke understand because ubanele is to get in whatever ifunayo
But also, listen, mhlambe like Khumalo hasn't been doing anything right. Oh, let's just put it like in reality ukuthi mhlambe lo mntana is getting bullied. Lo mama akanamandla ukuthi umntana like akanamphahla ezindlo zokugcoka and stuff. So at least for ibirthday yakhe ithi ngimkhonthele umntana ngimtholele something because I haven't been doing anything for lo mntana. And then I charge like sibiza ukuthi umjayezile le
thithi kanti why ungayenzi lento le ngendlela right uhamba
Ayikuthi
wonke umuntu thithi ngizokutshela ukuthi hayi nginamsebenzi la bakhona abantu abazokuzwela bakuphi ipiece job hambe uyothenga lento
let's just finish it.
masifundisa abantu yabona
Guys, like
ngizophinda own brand esiyonencosi ibusiness own business khona la ukuthi be fast khona la eba slow and if when uthembisa umntana ukuthi every time mawubuya kuyophanda wena wenza so umntana kona get used kodwa if yamtshela ukuthi yazi as much as ungibona ngipush ibusiness and kwamanye amalanga ibusiness it's giving but angeke ngihlale ngikwazi ukwenzela mangikhonile you gonna get simple because mawufuna ukuthi umntana makazi you end up doing izinto ezifana
yeah normalize ukutshela abantwana amaqiniso sometimes
teaching abantwana
yes we are their superheroes and whatnot but like at some point we have to say
you can't say
yeah that's true. You mentioned which you are face of MP ne
Melted in Mpumalanga 2020. You pardon me. Oh, my apologies. 2020 what?
I don't know
2023 to 2024. Yes.
so wait like how do you get there kahle lento emapage like uqala kanjani like uqala contest kuphi esikoleni or kunala like how does that thing happen?
I joined the pageant with zero experience, like in joining with no experience, I swear. And then I just came across this poster, a show with like in Mpumalanga Face of Melties looking for like models from this certain age to this certain. So I was like, let me give it a try, you know, because I want my voice to be heard and I want my talent to be seen, but I don't know how to show it. So how about I start here, and then maybe it might take me from there to another place. Then I joined, and then they asked for like an audition video. At that time I didn't know how to walk in heels. God, and I practiced, like I think I practiced for 2 weeks because if you did wear food like a month prior. So then I practiced, and then I took a video, I sent it, and then Mount John would say, okay, I'm part of my semi-finals now, they just need to vote for me.
Oh, that's why uthumela abantu ngama WhatsApp uthi
yes, but with us it was money. Oh, it was money.
Okay.
So it was quite challenging, you know. But then at least at that time, like obviously I'm a coach, right? Like so not good by UC, but then I used the privilege of working in so how about my garage, my clinics, more orphanages don't have a jive, so that like Pasos Fagel money, got like a lot of money. And then any email, of course I gave it to them, see sharing, then any sense for my vote. Then I started going to like a mamos and managers for my teams with and that's when I got summer finals and
so okay, when I for joiner, you mentioned something, but we like the main goal which you wanted to have a voice. Like what kind of a voice? But like what is it that you wanted to say? Or you which abantu buyers ngotiti yini like drive.
Sorry kukhona yini like into khona umntana obukele from join what
yeah
into like important abayibhekayo audition.
When you audition, okay, like there's different things that they look at. If they ask for like an audition clip, like bazosho ukuthi maybe walk, they're basically looking for a walk if like your walk is professional, you have the correct posture and all of that. Because remember, I mean, I didn't have experience, so probably I didn't have the posture that they were looking for, but they saw potential. So if you have potential, you cannot have the walk but potential, you know what I mean? So just be determined, like know what you want and know where you're going to. That's all I can say.
So Ilona, you just walk with heels and
Walk with heels and
Yeah.
straight knees, straight legs.
then
open
akufuneki idudle
posture.
kumele
There is.
it's a question,
Remember,
bro.
it was in
I'm
every size, in
asking.
every mind, every color, every shape. So
Yeah.
they don't like
Because
look for
I never
specific
seen
shape.
because angizange ngabona umuntu thick on this
There's category. Plus size.
Serious?
Plus size.
Yeah.
Nobashayela izinto lezabo lezi yabo ukuthi
Is it?
Yes, they
Because I thought it's a slender who is like natural,
Back in
like
the
who doesn't
day.
put like wigs
Back
and
in the
whatnot.
days, we might colonize it like
Yeah,
that.
but
But then that's not what modeling is.
Oh,
Because
no,
people
my
thought
child
modeling is
was
about
right.
being perfect and all of that,
Yeah.
or being smart. No, modeling is about you exploring your talent and also like spreading a certain message to teach the whole nation. You know what I mean?
You're like, what kind of a message, basically?
Oh,
Just-
so
just give me an
basically,
example.
now I was inspired by in Mpumalanga, right? So in Mpumalanga, obviously, it's not a rural place, but then like it's a mid-rural place, yeah. So obviously, there were kids, like young kids, like so. Like they didn't specifically have the freedom to go play. They were expected to act like wives, like at that time it's like umntana 9 years old who deserves like a chance to go play.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I was inspired by that, like Uguti, and also Ankara, I have a group. So the group now was also inspired by that. Uguti abantwana deserves to play and explore their childhoodness, because umntwana like you can't expect umntana ukuthi enza ama chores ngathi umuntu omntana, regardless ukuthi uyamtrain. Mtrain by umashisi yamacomic awu for kuphela bese ahamba yodlala. Kanjalo igotsha lisemanje, that's what they mean. Not ukuthi manje kumele ugqilaze umntana. So I wanted to spread the message kubazali nabanye abantu abagqileza abantwana ukuthi no, ukugqilaza umntana doesn't mean uyamfundisa. Dedela umntana aphile.
yeah straight.
So I wanted to be heard because my near like if mangihamba house to house like ngicela abazali bazali ngikanenze kanje bebangibiza ngokuthi mina ngazi kakhulu. I would do that actually and I still do that today. Hence why I have a group nala eSoweto abantwana abajayiva.
Phakama MP. So wait, so you wanted to represent like Mpumalanga only?
Because
That was
currently
your main
being
goal.
Mpumalanga, being twice in Mpumalanga, so you know, story for another day.
Yeah.
No,
Oh, okay.
ungitshela indaba.
But I know my page was.
Yeah, no, ngiyekile leyo ndlela for like personal reasons.
Yeah, Christian.
Okay, but if there's
I'm a Christian. Yeah,
Okay.
my phone.
Okay, so it means
Mine is
One
for
again.
men.
yeah, so it means you don't need beats. It just that like it shows which is just a spiritual thing.
It's just a spiritual
sorry.
thing. Yes.
Yeah, so you don't need. Oh, no, I get it, bro. You say
no question for Benito.
okay.
Yeah.
Ngifuna like ukuqala like since only brand yini ama takeaway wakho like positive and negative
Negative pros and cons.
of owning
For owning a brand.
Uphinde.
yini ama takeaway wakho
Yeah,
Like,
angichazile mina ngazi.
Like
Like
Like the advantage and disadvantage.
like
yeah,
is it the
advantage of owning brand.
yeah.
Was since ngoni brand kunalelanga ngithi namhlanje like le positive so and so kunalelanga ukuthi you feel ngathi like yazi ukoni brand ngathi mistake
Yagcilaza
you
or
get
something,
like
yeah.
example so ngifuna ukwazi
Yeah, fele
negative
khona vele lezo zinto lezo ukuthi why inhle bengicala.
Yeah, ngisinikeze nje,
No,
ngisinikeze.
yeah I was like
We wanna know.
ukwazi ukuthi kunjani own brand
Yeah.
Is it so difficult? And if it's difficult,
net disadvantage of owning
a brand.
Fele ngaqala ba. Ngicala ngama advantage yabo.
Yeah.
yeah
At least yabo uma ngathini ngizisebenzela mina. There's no need ukuthi maybe ngiyocheck isimali komunye umuntu
Everything comes to you. Yeah.
yeah bese ke obvious like mangathi ama disadvantage ukuthi sineneni khona amamantu ukuthi this month abantu abathenga kakhulu angitholi lo bese sineneni
And when
But-
otherwise
would you advise
ezinye
umuntu-
izinto ngathini akusinto ngathi ngivuka ekuseni ngithi ngifuna ukuvusa iparent uyangithola because zibhayi izinto ozidingayo zibhayi izinto kumele ukuthi uzazi
so kusho ukuthi ama
disadvantage ucava ukuthi yini story behind into lephushayo uyangithola so nje angeke uvele uvuka ukuthi hayi mina kusasa ngiyovusa iparent likho nabanye uzothola ukuthi maybe umuntu uvusa iparent esaphinda yena because akana maybe amathi
money you have to lose money
yabona ke emalini uzoluza hayi kancane
and especially if you are just starting because people don't know
that's why it's first you have
to start it's the most difficult part
otherwise ezinye izinto ngathini maybe mongaspana nomuntu uthembakalayo yangithola nenza izinto like at least no2 nazo ukuthi
wena ufuna so umdala so boma 30s 40s noma will you advise umntana ophilayo ukuthi yenze lento ufuna ukuqala yenze
mina like mofuna ukuqala like iqala yangithola futhi special labo abathanda impahla nani yabona vele mothanda impahla nani hayi lapho never go wrong because style sakho like uyangithola
okay oh I wanted to because you said you were standing up for kids who are like 7 years 6 years and whatnot do you think guys abantwana bane 5 bane reason yokuba esikoleni let's be honest
bane 5 ukuthi baye esikoleni I mean personally
like umntana the 5 because I get to the 5 when I graduate. My question is this because you're mentioning about kids you know taking care of kids, that's the reason you enter the pageant and stuff because you wanted kids to be kids. So all of you guys, do you think a 5-year-old kid have a reason to be inside the class? There's a train that is coming from Soweto, traveling 5 miles, going to Johannesburg. Like, do you think?
Personally, I think especially with the RSP
okay.
Fast. So 3, 4, 5 melibwe usesikolweni noma ngabe bakufundisa itrain ephumaphi yashayisa kubo you have to be at school, we deserve education because manje mawabheka especially if you don't support umntana wakho like basheshe bathatheke kwizinto ezenzeke ekhaya you find umntana omncane azinto wena you didn't think ukuthi wena lenkathi usana bozoyazi yabo because of yonke into say fast. So miyeke le mntana aye esikoleni miyeke afunde whatever kumele ayifunde ungamvaleli or ube like ukayibona phi ingane encane
true wayibona phi ingane idlala
you know last bengibone kuyini umsele Odin le show yabo impumelelo le izingane zesithembu I once heard umpumelelo athi bebalwa no Tirelo ukuthi umpumelelo afuna ukubhadalela umntana ukuthi esikoleni athi umpumelelo mina ngeke ngibhadalele ingane na 3 ukuthi esikoleni saseyincane leyo ngane but manje isikhathi esiphila kuso asivumeli ukuthi ingane saseyincane.
And then Titi?
Yeah, I totally agree with that. I mean, as soon as they reach their toddler stage, that's when their creativity nurtures. So when you take them to school, like you allow them to explore their creativity, their interest and benefits. So, school is about benefit because I mean, remember ungayi esikoleni mahlala ekhaya ugcine saphela izintanga zenzene egcine seganga esenza nenza hence abantwana abahleli emakasi bayaganga like bayaganga labo bantwana because they have nothing to do so at least makase esikoleni like it keeps them occupied and like ibapha neschedule ukuthi okay ngalesikhathi like ischedule ingqondo zabo like it's for training ngona ukuthi ngalesikhathi ngenza kanje and in that way I mean come on I keep umntana busy and like away from a lot
like
of things
phela labantwana baku TikTok khona lothi hello parents namazi like abantwana like umntana uzosho into ongayicabanga ukuthi bengasho like asiyabantu abayofunda because ziningi into ezinegative
unlike umntana wesebenzi abantu ethi
nabazali ukuthi let's say ufuna uthanda ibhola and then umzali ucabanga ukuthi ibhola la distract from incwadi then umzali uyekisa ibhola
khule bangethe ebholeni
you know you are lucky ngoba trust me mina bengibona ngisadlala ibhola ukuba sebholweni bekungisebenze eziningi kakhulu eziningi emele ngabe ngiphela mina ngicala ubheka ngoma grade 5 abo benzina izolo sasemncane imagine if bengajoyina ngithi sabantwana esikoleni do you think kube ngisabhema izolo kube sekubhema ukufika lapho ngoba mawulibela ukwezinye izinto uhlangana nabantu abayenza more than what ever wena uyenza if ubhema ugwazi uhlangana nobhema izolo
and they start speaking the
uhlangana nobhema izolo obhema uzohlangana nalo obhema izolo nentashi mawusuka uyaba so abazali abayika abantwana
esikoleni
then Dimples
mina sithole yazi nama camera azoshuthi ngithulile namhlanje aningi pictures okukhuluma
you bro But like, yo, bro, no, but like, you must appreciate if I question. Remember, you have a brand. At some point, you have to go and represent your brand.
Yeah.
So if you don't know the basics of explaining,
explaining,
you get.
Sometimes it's complicated. Give back to the community.
Yeah.
I know now you'll feel the need to give back to the community.
You get.
Keep as a CRM.
Yeah. So bro, like you have to be in these cycles. Unsago mentioned something very important. Mazoti, the cycle that you surround yourself with, you become like, you see now, if you guys are shooting like a pod, ne? For an example, you shoot a pod, you like, how can I put these things? You become intellectual in such a way which you wanna know what make you what kind of topics. So it means outside low my Dimples low what okay so pay me pipe if you are pay I'm not saying which you pay me pipe. Let's say like sugalana so pay me pipe usuga ingengiyodli ikota ingalala. Do you understand? Yeah. Now you are exercising your brain. Now you are thinking even further. Long time.
Okay,
so
okay,
I cook.
Okay guys, think pendulous thole mina ngithi like ngivumelana noTsako kule point ukuthi umntwana mele umgobe bathi ligotshwa lisemanzi mele umise esikoleni asasemncane ukuze azofunda iji emakhaya sithole like bekuna certain age ukuthi la khani uzongena isikolo mose unako yabo kanjalo abantwana baba slow nasesikolweni man because usomdala
isikolo yisezenza umntana
no activities done at school,
activities, the work and the ideas that are being shared at school.
That's why it's
yeah.
Because manje eskele maybe endlini thingithi animphathi kahle yabo eskele angeke focus
and most
manje uyabona ukuthi ezinye ingane
ngibona mina mangithi asiphuzeleni ingane ezincane zesikoleni. I feel like siphila kwi generation siyazi
mina feel like
so uyambona umntana ukuthi
ngimise emafana
danko ngizamile ukubisa esikoleni wenza grade 8 or 9
asasemncane yazi
ufuna umsebenzi wezandla angeke aphumelele kuphi esikoleni. So ukuyisa umntwana early esikoleni kunceda ukuthi uunderstand ukuthi umntana yini potential yakhe.
Real.
Umntana okay esikoleni umntana uzo excel. Varsity excel. Umntana won't even reach grade 10. Why ngingasheshe ngiact fast ukuthi okay lo mntana unidi special school. La uzofika sebenzisa umsebenzi wezandla. La sisikhulile that's why ngithina uyabona even you saying ukuthi i-social media accessele into le ukuthi bazokwenza utrend but sekwama detective.
Yeah, yibo manje
banceda so sesiphile esikhathini esifast yisa umntana wakhe esikolweni so understand potential yomntana wakho ukuthi ucapable ukwenzani kusasa. Ucapable ukuletha i-matric certificate or ucapable build something that will prevent HIV. Into ongayianda wena ongayicabanga ukuthi kusasa ngiyenzeka. So let's give kids a chance yisa umntana wakho as early as possible crash esikolweni whether I crash esezingeni eliphezulu ufuna umuzwa khumsha kodwa kusala you will see potential ingane yakho
amina ugrade ngane
ngithi ngisathi ngizosho ngathona uzoba lo baby daddy ohambisa abantwana emakhaya bangafundi
my take on this question I can say similar nyana no Benito
real
on what Benito is saying ingathi umntana ungaqala umfundisa like how to move in a certain way ukuthi amaqanda alona aphuma konkuku nobeka kanjani whatever
umntana efunde
until let me cook until lo muntu if uhambise imbuzi until take care of ilona ziyaqinwa zikhipwa ama ticks and what not until those things annoys you in such a way ukuthi mayehlala eclassini uthi angisafuna ubuyele farm manje I want to focus on but you know ukuthi you know ukuthi phela abantwana balegol bacabanga ukuthi iqanda lithola eHyperland kuthi liphuma enkukwini kanjani they don't even understand ukuthi skipani uyangithola so mina like I can say ukuthi if I had man
into abangakufundisa yona endlini
that's why bathi kune homeschooling angithi
respect
that's I state
respect into umzali
abantwana baya homeschooling
abantwana yazi
I believe in homeschooling
mina before siyaphambili ngitshela ngami mina olidlama ishaya olidlambelikana bongeke kwenza imaka beweke ngesitoti ngakho ngathendlini like angina mama
ubhuti wami bekastoti ubhuti meyikhula bathuke waya eSouthgate using khona yini ama pipe la ngasenatural bake baya eSouthgate ngama pipe lawa la natural abayophumela eSouthgate but because ubhuti wami was used ukuthi yena njalo makaye noma ngathi futheki kuwe uyashaywa ubhuti wami lela la ngabuye ukuhamba ngalama pipe angazi ukuthi umama Moses ngobani afike endlini yakwati makabuye ubhuti wami ubizwa ineighbor yethu zama uza athi ngiyabuya ngisayoshaywa because uyazi ukuthi whatever ayenzayo ayenzayo iyodinga ngeswazi so iswazi doesn't help
it doesn't help
ukuba street doesn't help but isupport nokuzehlisa enganeni yakho sometimes ukhulume na understand
I mean abazali bayasithatha basise ezikoleni
Malaysia manje
ukule brown
this is the first day mina ngisho ukuthi mina bengibanke private school mina futhi angekho njani mina bengibanga and besiyebhanga and we go to like suburban areas ukuthi siyophuza and chill
mara yini
but this person matters like because you have to make sure this person matters bank I mean so lena beyokuthi umntana ngimusa kule sikole sikanje it's true
and kunabo tanda hate lapha abazelanga lutho nje just to step other kids
private school
and private school yabora aka ngicela ngekasi school ngicela brown
I mean as we like not all as private school sama kasi mandate we are kasi mandate and
you know what's the principal oslanda phezulu from eZimbabwe ngijimisa
the brown ngitya kitchen
yeah kabana not living those moments
like ngokwenu like thingithi senengane nana ingane zenu ngingazisa by scale like public or private
personally
private why
the reason it's private is because as black people we have normalized into ukuthi if you bought something or keep imali you're gonna take care of that thing you see as much as Nsago saying ukuthi even if like okay let's say manje is school break so suka seZimbabwe siyopema whatever isipema or whatever isiyenza sisazolandwa nanani because you know your dad is not spending any penny you get but like if
cares tole
ntwana but like if ever
it's a private school
your parents are paying
I feel personally ngizomisa umntana e private school because kulula ukuthi afunde izinto fast rather than a public e-public noma ungayi esikoleni se-public school sesikoleni sabesilungu you don't see need yokufunda isilungu, you don't see as in tech. But a private wonke umuntu uyahumsha isilungu esi and uyabona ukuthi angeke uzusale you get a private
English as
exactly what I'm saying
because ube ne-advantage. If uTT bekase brown, trust me. Bekazoshaya amagama esilungu everyone's in the world. Njengami yabo.
But like so that's my chat, eh? If I have money, then go misa a private because I know what you're gonna pay attention and uzoba uyu1 uyidomuza ukuthi bagijimisa. You understand? Now you're forced ukuthi nawe uhlala umamela.
That's why ngithi kulula ukuthi ufunde izinto fast because a private uyasala. Uthola ubani ukhuluma isilungu njenge China. Ubani ukhuluma isilungu njengani wena ulala.
And esakho isilungu. Yeah. If isamba ngathi tortoise. If samba ngathi tortoise, bayakhalisa bathi lo ufuna ama extra classes. Abanye bahamba. I'm telling you, bro.
A private school they are forced to fund.
Yeah, like
so a high school, a public school. Benito makhuluma isikolo lakhe siyala.
Yeah, izenza no.
A high school bahlala nomuntu okhuluma isilungu esiphephethe. Uzenza ngcono.
Man, put me trip.
You get
you know this.
It's an excursion.
I mean, available.
Do you understand? That's what I was going. Nina, tears to my trip, Nina.
It's an excursion.
You get.
never mini famous album abanyisa.
And I own a robot to attack. Ma put me eat trip. Man, boy, and it's also Kurumangiti and Tantizin. You get.
Obviously.
No, this is a public for me trip in a private school at Aikabo.
But that's what
boring white.
But that one is the boring one.
We are
educational trips. No, we are doing, you know, this sand was built by Marco. So when you step on it, you know it sinks. Wait, this is a beach. It's part of the school's trademark.
We're taking some people for the show.
Hayi bathatha amanamba u68806477 thengeza impahla bafit impahla yeah clothes.
Okay guys, it was nice guys. I don't know if maybe you wanna have word of the day or
mina nje into engayisho keep supporting uBenito bafethu.
Shout out.
Futhi nosithole don't forget bafethu subscribe bathatha ifone kagogo subscribe kagogo azobona ukuthi ingane ziyaphusha.
Titi.
I'd say like follow your dreams regardless of how odd it is to the people. As long as you know what you want, just follow it. And uzongenela umisowethu songcela nimvotele.
Danko.
Yeah.
Temples.
Yeah. Beautiful day guys, with us supporting our local businesses. Yeah, before Saguma Nike.
Kontiarem.
Yeah, like Titi uzonikeza usithole ama details akhe ukuthi kuvotwa kanjani.
Yeah, shout out.
And Miss Freedom Park
Don't
also.
forget.
Don't forget Bashan on the Miss Freedom Park page. Love y'all.
Okay, guys, that was it, guys. What do you mean, Doug? No, it's because look, I'm always one-sided. Maybe like because I'm used to interviewing people. Yeah, you understand? The other camera, you get.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys. Please, guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell, anything, guys, you'll be notified. We don't know, guys, so I don't know. Let me not say much. Nsago, you're still here. Titi, you're still here. We hope when we drop another one, you're gonna be here as well. Dimples, I know you still have that fire burning. You said we didn't give you enough time today, but you're still gonna be cooking. And don't worry about it, guys. We're out.